guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all 5 monsoon essentials that you can get from Amazon, which are very useful during the ongoing rainy season. As you guys know, the monsoon has officially set, especially in a city like Mumbai. Monsoon is like the most beautiful season of the year, and I absolutely love this season so much. I love sipping on my hot adrak wali chai. I love like hogging on those hot pakoras during the season. It's such a beautiful season. I love the smell, the freshness that's there in the air, and it's the most beautiful time of the year, especially in Mumbai. But no matter how beautiful the season is, it's got its own disadvantages as well. Monsoon की वजह से ना skin just does not know how to react. Skin gets so confused whether it's like hot outside, whether it's cold outside, and especially my skin, I get a lot of like irritation and my skin becomes very sensitive. Moreover, my hair is all over the place. It gets so frizzy due to all the moisture that's there in the air. My hair becomes very frizzy, so that's another problem. And thirdly, the most important problem is whenever you step out of the house during the monsoon, especially अगर आप office या college जाते हो, especially ऑफिस गोअर्स नो दिस प्रॉब्लम. आप जब भी बाहर निकलते हो, आपके कपड़े गंदे हो जाते हैं. सबसे गंदा तो जूते हो जाते हैं. Your shoes become so dirty. There's so much mud that's there outside and you just cannot avoid it. Thoda to your shoes will get dirty if you step out of the house during the monsoon. So that is the most major problem, and I have the perfect solution for that. So the first product that I'm going to be sharing with you all is this Cleano shoe cleaner wipes. Now this contains 50 high quality shoe wipes, and it does not matter whether you're wearing loafers, whether you're wearing sports shoes, formal shoes, slippers, no matter what kind of shoes that you're wearing, even if you're wearing white tennis shoes or golf shoes, this is going to help in cleaning your shoes thoroughly. It helps to scrub off dirt, mud and grass stains so effectively in just one single swipe. You don't have to worry about your shoes being dirty at any point of time if you have this product. It's got 50 very high quality wipes, and this is all like made in India using the highest quality ingredients. So it's very safe as well for your shoes. Your shoes are not going to be damaged if you use this. It's only going to help in cleaning your shoes so thoroughly and keeping you looking more neat and clean even during the monsoon season that's going on. Monsoon mein shoes sabse zyada dirty hote hain, and this product will come very handy for you. It comes with this lid over here, and once you open it, you can remove the wet wipe like so, and it helps in keeping the lid helps in keeping all the wet wipes fresh and effective. This is a very high absorption fabric, and all you need to do is just use this to wipe off your shoes to clean them thoroughly. You don't need any additional water or any other additional products to clean your shoes. Just use this and it's gonna squeaky clean your shoes, removing all the stains, all the dirt, all the mud, everything off your shoes. So it's a very useful product for the monsoon season. आप इसको अपने शू कैबिनेट में रख सकते हो. आप इसको लेके ट्रैवल भी कर सकते हो. If you want to travel like abroad, if you're traveling for any trips, you can use this, and it's going to keep your shoes neat and clean there as well. I personally love carrying it in my car. I keep it in my car, and every single time that I step out and come back in, I first make sure to like clean my shoes and then enter my car, so that my car does not get dirty, with my dirty shoes. So that is another advantage of this. So that is how I keep my shoes, my chappals, my sandals, everything that I wear neat and clean even during the monsoon season. Even when it's like very muddy and dirty outside on the ground, my shoes remain clean because of this. So it's a very important product that you can have during the monsoon season. And in case if you want to try this out, I'm going to leave the purchase link in the description box below. You can check it out. ये बहुत ज़्यादा useful है monsoon के लिए. Cleano shoe cleaner wipes are the best shoe wipes that I've ever used. They remove all the stains in just one single swipe. That is how good they are. You can see the before and after on my shoe. It's one of the best lifesaver products for the monsoon season, and I highly recommend you try this out. The second product that I want to talk about is for your skin. Now my skin becomes extremely sensitive during the monsoon because sometimes when it's raining, the weather is cold and it feels like winter to my skin. Sometimes when it's not raining, it's so hot and it feels like summer to my skin. So my skin just does not know what to do, and it's very difficult for my skin to adapt. So that is why my skin becomes very sensitive, and to treat my sensitive skin, skin in order to keep it clean. Even though my skin is super sensitive, I use this simple refreshing face wash. Now this is a very very gentle face wash. It's one of the most gentle face washes out there. It contains 0% alcohol. It does not have any color, no fragrance, so no harmful ingredients at all. And it's got all skin friendly, very kind to skin ingredients, which is the best part. And अगर आपकी sensitive skin है, ये वाला face wash you should use. Skip all the other face washes and just stick to this because it's so gentle. It will only clean your skin and make you feel refreshed. It will not irritate your skin, not harm your skin in any way. So that's the reason why I love this face wash so much. सबसे ज़्यादा gentle face wash ये है and it's my absolute favorite. I've been using it for over 3 years now and I really love it. तो मॉनसून में अगर आपकी भी स्किन कंफ्यूज्ड है whether as to like what season of the year it is and how to react, then try out this face wash. It's amazing for sensitive skin. Moving on to hair. मॉनसून में hair बहुत frizzy हो जाते हैं. Right now also if you can see there is some frizziness going on my hair even though I have combed my hair really well using a hair serum. फिर भी यही हाल है मेरे बालों का. So to treat the frizziness that I have, I use this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum and I make it a point to use this every single day. Whenever I comb my hair, I make it a point to use this. मैंने आज ये नहीं लगाया because I just wanted to show you like how it tames down the frizziness. तो मैं इसको अभी लगा के आपको दिखा देती हूँ. I was taking like 1 pump of this. अगर आपके बाल dry है, 1 pump is more than enough. And if you have wet hair, then you can take like 2 pumps of it. Can you instantly see how tamed and how like smooth my hair has become? So it actually helps in instantly like getting rid of all the frizziness that you have on your hair. And अगर आपको भी मेरी तरह frizzy hair की problem है, which is the most common problem during monsoon and during winters, then ये वाला hair serum ज़रूर try करना. It's such a lightweight hair serum, does not weigh down my hair or anything like that. इतना lightweight है, बिल्कुल भी बाल oily या sticky feel नहीं करते. As you can see, my hair feels so nice and silky and smooth, and frizziness सारी चली जाती है with this hair serum. So that's the reason why I really really love it. Another product that I think is amazing for the monsoon is this Dr. Sheth's Ceramide and Vitamin C long lasting sunscreen. Now this is a new version of their original Ceramide and Vitamin C sunscreen. This is a long lasting sunscreen and this one lasts for 6 hours, which is the best part. तो आपको इसको हर 2 घंटे में रीअप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can just use this in the morning and 6 घंटों तक it's going to give you continuous sun protection without any reapplication. And usually most of us don't even go out like for more than 6 hours during the daytime in the sun. तो आप इसको बस एक बार लगा लो and you will be good to go. No need to reapply it to ensure you have sun protection. बस एक बार लगाओ and complete sun protection. इसमें SPF 50 प्लस PA 4 प्लस है जो बहुत अच्छे अमाउंट का UVA प्रोटेक्शन है. साथ में इट गिव्स यू UVB प्रोटेक्शन एंड इसका बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि ये वाटर और स्वेट रेजिस्टेंट है. तो अगर आप इसको लगा के बाहर भी जाते हो एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द रेन्स अगर आपकी स्किन वेट हो जाती है, इवन देन द सनस्क्रीन इज नॉट गोना कम ऑफ. आप कोई भी और सनस्क्रीन लगा लो और आप अगर बाहर जाके भीग जाओगे तो वो सनस्क्रीन जो है वो निकल जाएगा. बट ये लगाने से ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होगा क्योंकि वाटर रेजिस्टेंट है. ये पानी को अप टू like 80 मिनट्स तक रेजिस्ट कर लेता है. सो इवन इफ यू गो आउट इन द रेन्स इट विल स्टिल गिव यू सन प्रोटेक्शन. दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सनस्क्रीन्स आउट देयर स्पेशली फॉर द मॉनसून बिकॉज इट्स वाटर रेजिस्टेंट एंड सुपर लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. द लास्ट प्रोडक्ट आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट आर दिस लिप एंड चीक टिंट्स बाय अर्थ रिदम. मॉनसून में आप कोई भी पाउडर प्रोडक्ट लगा लो लाइक अ पाउडर ब्लश इफ यू अप्लाई, तो अगर आप भीग जाओगे ना तो वो पाउडर ब्लश जो है वो निकल आएगा बिकॉज ऑफ द वाटर. सो फॉर दैट रीजन यू नीड टू यूज अ लिक्विड प्रोडक्ट एंड इससे बेटर अफोर्डेबल एंड इफेक्टिव lip and cheek tints I've never seen in the market. Like I've seen like good lip and cheek tints but most of them are like really expensive, but ये वाले बहुत affordable side पे है and I love the colors that they have. तो मेरे पास ना इसके 2 colors है, the pink one and the red one. So I'm going to use the pink one. I'm just going to use it on my cheeks and show you. एक तो it's so easy to apply this. You just need to dot it like that and blend it. And as you can see, within just 10 seconds ये पूरा का पूरा blend हो जाता है and it looks So beautiful. It literally looks like a flush of color that's coming from within. Can you see that glow? Can you see all of that radiance that it's reflecting on my skin? तो ये बहुत अच्छा formulation है. It blends so seamlessly. It gives you such a beautiful, like, you know, shine वाला finish, and it's amazing to reapply as well. अगर ये by chance fade हो जाता है या निकल जाता है because of the rains, it's very easy to reapply it within just 10 seconds. You don't even need a mirror, you don't even need any tools, just use your finger and you are good to go. पर ये जो है ये काफ़ी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग भी है एंड रेंज से ये निकल नहीं जाता है. आई हैव यूज दिस, gotten wet in the rains, and in spite of that I had the blush on. So that's the reason why I recommend this for the monsoon. Blush is something that these days we just cannot skip. It's like the most essential product after a lipstick. तो अगर आप भी मेरी तरह blush lover हो, and if you don't want your blush to like fade away or go away in the monsoon when you get wet, then use this. It's gonna like last pretty long. It's not gonna like come off because of the rain, and it's gonna give you such a beautiful healthy finish on the skin. It also comes in a variety of colors, so you can pick any color according to your skin tone and liking. So yeah, those were my top 5 monsoon essentials that you can get from Amazon. सारे purchase links मैंने description box में दे दिए. You can check that out. These products are like super important for the monsoon, and if you own them, your life is just going to become a lot easier. So I highly recommend you try out all of these products. In case if you do let me know in the comments below how they work out for you. सबसे ज़्यादा important इन सब में से ये Clino Shoe Cleaner Wipes है. This is suitable for men and women both, for children, for elders, for everyone. And इसको आपको अपने shoe cabinet, अपने car, अपने travel bag हर जगह रखना चाहिए because it's so useful, especially during monsoon. So yeah, that was my video for today. If you guys found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new here, follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I will see you super soon.